Welcome to today's video, where we explore the profound concept that may change the way you think about achieving your desires. In this episode, we're diving into the teachings of Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher, and we'll explore the idea that whatsoever you desire, you already have. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this eye-opening journey together. Before we delve into Neville Goddard's teachings, let's take a moment to understand the underlying principle of this concept. According to Neville, the physical realm is but a manifestation of our inner thoughts and beliefs. Our desires already exist as potential possibilities in the infinite realms of consciousness. By shifting our mindset and aligning our thoughts with what we desire, we can tap into this infinite potential and manifest our desires into reality. Neville Goddard was an influential figure in the New Thought movement and an advocate of conscious manifestation. He believed that each individual possesses the power to create their own reality. Drawing upon various spiritual teachings and personal experiences, Neville developed a unique approach to manifesting desires that went beyond traditional goal-setting methods. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of understanding ourselves as creators. His teachings go beyond the conventional approach of simply setting goals and working toward them. Instead, he invites us to awaken to the realization that our desires are not external to us, but an integral part of our consciousness. He encouraged individuals to recognize that they already possess the qualities, abilities, and resources required to manifest their desires. He believed that the key to unlocking these desires lies in the recognition and acceptance that they already exist within us. By focusing our attention on the internal state of already having what we desire, we shift our consciousness to align with the reality we seek. Neville's teachings were heavily influenced by his interpretation of biblical texts, particularly the concept of I am as referenced in Exodus 3:14. He believed that by affirming I am followed by the desired state, we declare our identity as the embodiment of that desired state. Through this affirmation, we declare our oneness with our desires and open ourselves up to the potential for their manifestation. It is through the power of visualization that Neville taught individuals to bridge the gap between their current reality and the realization of their desires. Visualization involves creating a mental image of the desired outcome and vividly imagining the details, emotions, and sensations associated with it. When we hold this mental image in our minds and engage all our senses in the process, we create a powerful, energetic connection with our desires. This connection acts as a magnet, drawing our desires into our experience. As Neville said, whatsoever you desire, you already have. By anchoring ourselves in the feeling of already having what we desire, we align our consciousness with the vibration of our desires and attract them into our reality. Visualization can be practiced in various ways. Some people find it helpful to create vision boards, collages of images and words that represent their desires. Others prefer to close their eyes, create a mental image, and immerse themselves in the experience of their desires. The key is to consistently engage in this practice, allowing it to sink into the subconscious mind and influence our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. The power of subconscious reprogramming is another aspect of Neville Goddard's teachings. Our subconscious mind stores our beliefs, programming, and conditioning, which often shape our reality. By reprogramming our subconscious thoughts and beliefs, we can align ourselves with the vibration of what we desire, paving the way for its materialization. Reprogramming the subconscious mind involves techniques such as affirmations, visualizations, and hypnosis. These tools allow us to bypass the limitations of our conscious mind and access the deeper realms where true transformation occurs. Affirmations are positive statements that declare our desires as already true. By repeating affirmations aligned with our desires consistently, we overwrite old programming and create new neural pathways that support the manifestation of our desires. Visualization, as mentioned earlier, is another powerful technique for subconscious reprogramming. By consistently visualizing our desires and immersing ourselves in the emotions and sensations associated with them, we create new neural connections that reinforce our beliefs in the manifestation of those desires. Hypnosis can also be used to access the subconscious mind and instill new beliefs and programming. Through guided relaxation and suggestion, hypnosis allows us to bypass the critical faculty of the conscious mind and communicate directly with the subconscious. This can be particularly effective in uncovering and releasing any subconscious blocks or limiting beliefs that may hinder the manifestation of our desires. As we immerse ourselves in these practices consistently, we gradually dissolve the barriers of doubt and resistance that may have held us back in the past. We begin to cultivate a mindset of unwavering faith and belief in the realization of our desires. This shift in consciousness not only changes our perception of ourselves and our desires, but also affects how we interact with the world around us. The stories of individuals who have implemented Neville Goddard's teachings speak volumes. From financial abundance and career breakthroughs to harmonious relationships and personal growth, the possibilities are limitless when we embrace the power of our consciousness. These individuals share a common thread, a deep understanding that their desires are not distant dreams, but present realities awaiting their recognition. By aligning their thoughts and emotions with their desires, they have witnessed synchronicities, opportunities, and circumstances aligning in their favor. It's as if the universe conspires to bring their desires into fruition, guiding them towards the necessary actions and platforms for manifestation. Now listen carefully as one person shares their personal experience.
I had always dreamt of starting my own business. But it wasn't until I understood Neville Goddard's teachings that I realized I already possessed within me the qualities and capabilities required for success. By shifting my focus from lack to abundance, I attracted the resources, mentors, and opportunities that propelled me towards turning my dreams into reality.
Through Neville Goddard's teachings, individuals are empowered to step into their creative power and transform their lives. They discover that their desires are not distant dreams, but present realities waiting to be fully realized. As we conclude today's video, I invite you to indulge in a moment of gratitude. Gratitude for the wisdom shared by Neville Goddard. Gratitude for the awareness that whatsoever you desire, you already have. Take a deep breath, visualize the manifestation of your desires, and know that the journey towards their realization is already underway. Remember that your desires are not distant dreams, but present realities awaiting your recognition. Embrace the power within, align your thoughts and emotions with what you desire, and watch as your world transforms. As Neville Goddard once said, "Whatsoever you desire, you already have." If you found this video valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share your manifestations, challenges, and successes. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep manifesting your dreams into existence.